Alright, let's take a look at how to enter an open credit or a deposit on an account. We're going to do this in Accounts Receivable. So go to Transaction, Accounts Receivable, and we're going to do Apply Cash Receipts. This is the same screen you would use to apply cash to an open invoice. Click the Add button or press Enter to start adding a new one. We can search for a customer by customer ID or by name. We'll search the second field to search name. There it goes. I'm going to have a reference number. This is typically a check number. A dollar amount. A deposit number. If you're using deposit slips, you can leave this field blank if you want. And you're going to have a transaction date. If you hit enter, it'll only put today's date in. And a paid date or postmark date. If you're doing an open credit, you can apply it to a specific project and phase. If you want, you can also put a note in. Open credits and deposits are treated very similarly. They're both just going to create an open balance invoice. You can flag which one you want to signify it as. And that's all you need to do. You're not applying cash to any of the invoices down in the list here. So click Save over on the right. It'll make sure you really want to do that. Do you want to create a deposit with the unapplied balance, which in this case is $1,000? Click Yes. It'll verify the AR account. If you're using a different AR account for deposits, you can select that account here. Otherwise, just leave it as is. You can also specify an invoice status. So if you had a different status for deposits, you could select that here. Hit the select button. It'll tell you that the cash has been applied, and it will give you what is in essence an invoice number, and it flags it as a deposit, has a project number, the reference number here or the check number, along with the customer ID. So if you were looking at this particular record on a report, you can tell what it was for. For a project, that's your check number and the customer. And that's it.